The corrupt Zimbabwean dictator Emmerson Mnangagwa is targeted opposition member of parliament for Hwange lawyer Daniel Malokela along with one of his councillors Ellen Zulu. Zanabina mashoko abudaita kupana pana upo chikono munubza mtapo now udubo subscribe or like on the bell like anyala chiti. They are now at Hwange police station. A police insider has informed me that they have a list of people but no evidence of any wrongdoing, only paranoia. Tipinda pahendo ya Daniel Malokela wacho akikepshiwa nobvaendeswa in police custody. Anyora achiti, a new great Zimbabwe for everyone. I can confirm that earlier today I was summoned by the Hwange ZRPCID law and order. They questioned me about organizing Sabc summit protests in support of my president Nelson Chamisa. I am now back at my home. It is not yet Uhuru. Ava posta my pictures ayo ana Nelson Chamisa. Saturikuona kuti panapa hupo chikuona tira mashiko kuti the corrupt regime iri kutya, iri kuvhunduka kuti vakomana apa ava they may be planning something ahead of this forthcoming Sabc summit. Achiti ayo vakomana ava vanogona vachida kudisrupta. Panapa hupo chikuona iri kuda tira mashiko kuti the regime iri kuziva its wrongdoings, iri kuziva kuti aiwa they flawed my elections, my human rights violations, they tortured people, vanoziva zvakawanda zvakaita, so they are fearing kuti people they may expose. Mashoko ari kutaurwa panapa nahopo chikono achaprova aiwa naDaniel Malokela zihendo kuti aiwa these guys they captured. Tudze mafungiro enyu pina comment section medu, subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.